Let's step into the world of luxury hospitality, where precision, skill, and knowledge open the doors to high-paying careers. Welcome to the in-depth operation and maintenance of kitchen equipment in 5-star hotels, your pathway to success in the most prestigious kitchens. Opening hook. Did you know that the smooth running of a 5-star hotel kitchen depends heavily on skilled technicians? Professionals who can operate and maintain advanced kitchen equipment are always in demand, and they're rewarded with excellent salaries. The opportunity. In luxury kitchens, you'll find some of the most advanced tools in the culinary world, from combi ovens and ice cube makers to commercial dishwashers, bakery machines, and blast chillers. Mastering these technologies can open doors to prestigious, rewarding career opportunities across the hospitality industry. What this course offers. In this course, you'll learn how to operate kitchen equipment safely and efficiently, carry out routine maintenance and troubleshooting, follow industry standards, and uphold hygiene protocols. Most importantly, you'll gain practical, hands-on skills that you can apply directly in real-world hotel kitchens. Who this course is for. Whether you're an ITI or diploma student, an aspiring hotel maintenance professional, or someone who dreams of working in luxury hospitality, this course is designed to give you the skills and confidence to succeed. Career outcomes. By the end of this program, you'll be ready to take on roles such as kitchen equipment technician, culinary equipment specialist, or equipment manager in prestigious hotels, with salaries that reflect your expertise. Certification and recognition. You'll receive hands-on training, participate in real-life simulations, and earn an industry-recognized certification, a credential that will strengthen your profile and boost your employability in the competitive hospitality market. Call to action. Start your journey today. Learn to master high-end kitchen equipment, secure valuable skills, and step confidently into a rewarding career in the luxury hospitality industry.